101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life, and this is our third section. And still, we are talking about street food. And I'll go to the Kabrian.
Okay.
So, Kabrian, Richard mentioned that to improve the quality of street food in our country, we have to improve the ingredients for that street food. But then the issue is, of course, that can affect the price of the street food. So in your perspective, I mean, we know that Indonesia more care for the money, prefer for the money rather than the healthy. Do you think by applying the Richard suggestion can be applied in Indonesia? Can be applied in Indonesia?
I think that we can apply it in Indonesia, but I don't know about the customer. Will it be decreased or not?
Oh, okay.
Because the seller how to say up the price. And yeah, the customer will be decreased day by day because it's more expensive than before. But as Richard said before, healthy is more expensive than that food.
Yes.
If
exactly.
we just buy a cheaper and we just we've just did at the time at the same time, the healthy care is more expensive than that food.
Okay, that's all.
Yes.
Okay, I get your point. But I mean, the point is we can still apply that, but the customer perhaps will decrease.
Yeah, perhaps will decrease.
What about you, Richard? This is your statement. I mean, do you think that that's gonna be worth it for Indonesian people if we decrease the quality of ingredients, but then the price is, the price will up as well?
Well, sorry, bro. Well, I think it will not benefit for us as the citizen, because if you just reduce the ingredients, I don't think so it will increase the price, because if you need to think rationally. Like if you decrease the ingredients, so I guess the budget for this food will decrease too. So it's not about decrease the quantity, but we need to look the quality. You know, quality over quantity. How much? Even though how much quantity you have, a lot of ingredients, but it's not healthy, I don't think so it will increase the price. But most of people who are looking the street food, they are looking for the quality. As you can see in the Europe, our national food, especially like tempe, the price is it's much higher rather than in Indonesia. Because you know the quality of tempe has a lot of protein in the ingredients. That's why people are looking for the tempe in abroad. But in our country, I don't think so tempe is better.
Yes.
People just say tempe is the makanan untuk orang murahan begitu, the cheapest food, but it have a lot of nutrition if you cook it well. Don't eat the fried tempe, but you need to cook the tempe or boil it. If you cook, you already lost the nutrition.
If we cook it,
if you fried it.
Oh, fried it. Yeah.
I can guarantee it 100%.
Because it's already mixed with oil.
Not just oil, because if you fry it, all the nutrition will be lost, because the temperature make the nutrition appear lost.
Oh, all right, I get the point. Okay, I'll move to Wahid. But for Wahid, this is different question, but perhaps this will be the last question.
Okay.
And in your perspective, how to increase the awareness of the Indonesians, so then they will aware with their healthy rather than the price of the food?
I think we have to look for. We have to see the quality of this food, like the nutrition. Maybe for me, we have to think first thing, we have to see what's the nutrition about the street food, and then maybe if we add like the nutrition, maybe
This is the question. I mean, how to make the Indonesians aware with the healthy, the healthy rather than the low price, because most of the junk food has a low price, but then that's not healthy. So how to make the people aware with that? I mean, they prefer to buy fruit instead of sadar.
Oh yeah, sadar.
I mean, rather than the junk food.
Oh yeah. For the first, we have to give them like the educate, but we have to give them educate for the food which have like more nutrition. It's better than like the food which is not has like the nutrition. And then maybe it's quite expensive, but we have to think make maybe like ramah untuk kita semua, maksudnya for the price, like the best price. Okay, maybe if we think it's not, maybe like it's quite expensive, maybe we have to change the strategy, market strategy. If we cannot sell in the like maybe in market, maybe we can sell in maybe street of the capital city, maybe in Makassar, maybe, or Tanjung Bunga, maybe, because maybe they can aware for nutrition is number one. Maybe for the price, it's okay. If we quite expensive, and then my conclusion, we have to think first about the nutrition. We have to sell the best price, and then if we cannot, we have to change our marketing. Maybe we can sell in other place.
Okay. Thank you very much, Wahid. Okay, Kak Brian. From all of the question and discussion before, what is the conclusion that you can get?
Okay. My conclusion is that we are talking about the street food, and the street food is, as I said before, is more cheaper than the restaurant. But you have to think that that our speaker say before, the nutrition of that food. It's better higher price, but and high quality, rather than low price and low quality. I think
that's all.
That's all.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Richard, Sam, the conclusion.
I will simply say that you might choose the right one, especially like the quality of the street food. You better choose the healthy rather than the delicious or the cheapest food. I guess you need to find the quality of the food first to keep your healthy, rather than you just eat the delicious or the cheapest, the cheaper food, which will make you become unhealthy, and you need to pay a lot of for your healthcare. I guess that's all from me.
Okay, Wahid.
Okay, I think like the street food is food or drink which ready to eat, and then we can sell in the street or maybe like in public area. Okay, maybe most of all people in Indonesia, they see like the price which is the low, which is the cheaper, without they see like the quality, such as healthy quality of the ingredients, what's the benefit for them. Yeah, I think if we want to sell the food in the street, yeah, I think it's okay, but we have to think what's the benefit for us, what's the benefit for our customer, what's the benefit for among of other sellers in among us, and then yeah, we have to, for the seller, we have to see, we have to think the quality of what we want to sell for our customer. I think it's for.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, before we close, maybe you guys have any vocabularies, idioms, the new one that you can share to the smart listener. Okay,
I just have one vocabulary that we have taught today.
Okay.
The vocab is junk food.
Junk food.
But junk food is we can say makanan cepat saji.
Oh, okay, like fast food.
Like fast food.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you have?
Well, I have one vocabulary. It's about ministry food preservatives, ready to eat food. So the Ministry of Food Preservatives is Kementerian Pangan Pengawet, dan ready to eat food is makanan siap saji.
Okay. Okay, what about you, Wahid? Do you have?
Yeah. Among it means di antara, tapi dia untuk
orang terdekat.
Dua ke atas.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, I think
okay. Okay. So I think that's all for tonight discussion, guys, about street food. And of course, always be aware with your healthy. Don't always look for the lower price, but then you forgot the quality of that food. Okay, thank you very much. I am Muhammad Yusuf Labian, and see you on the next Tuesday night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.